Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace your headlight bulb in your Honda CRV. This one's a 2014. Let's check it out. Okay guys, and we're going to be looking at this side. And for, I believe this is your turn signal bulb right in here. You're just going to come over here to lefty-loosey. Focus camera, boom. Lefty-loosey, pull them on out and it'll look like that. And then you would lefty-loosey pull them out like that, then just put them back in, and then that's for that turn signal. Then for your headlight, we're gonna come on over here and light up for me. Boom. We'll just this guy pops out, you just pull them out. Then we got this rubber boot. You gotta go ahead and pull the rubber boot off, and then it's this metal clip right here. You push down, come out, and then your bulb just comes right out. So putting it back in the same here in a second. We'll look at the other side. Okay guys, and I'm here on the other side, and it looks like there's less clearance, but there still should be enough clearance on this side in order to remove it the same way you saw me do it over there. So that's going to conclude our little project. Thanks for watching.